Can I take a
Chloe, what are you making?
Just sled once and then come play over here with you?
Huh? Okay. Hey! You better think fast.
For 1 minute.
Yay! Did you tell Lily I want her to make a snow cave with me?
Yeah, she said she wants to. She said
Whoa!
do one more
You,
sled ride.
what?
Alright, I'm coming.
What? You better think fast.
Yeah.
Ah. I'm taking a video. I'm not taking your picture. I'm taking a video.
Video.
I'm taking a video. What do you mean no video? Come back here! Ruby. What are you making?
A snow cave.
A snow cave? What, are you gonna live in there?
Just
Just play in there.
play.
Uh-huh. Oh, dig out. Do you need my help? I probably should
No.
turn this off and help you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Lily's gonna help me too.
Great.